students of class first year RS Inter College Kanpur. Please remind again that you have to purchase the books and the notebooks or the registers from the college, and special concession will be given on the books and the registers, so you should purchase them at school and start to read and write whatever is being taught this time. This time I am teaching you the verb form, because verb forms are very necessary to be learned. When verb forms are learned and the meanings are learned, antonyms, synonyms are also very necessary to be learned. Then if these things are learned and the rules of translation will be also written after few days, then your English will be strengthened, and you may have full confidence in English subject, but you have to do the work daily, as the pot is filled up by falling drop and drop of the water. In the same way, part by part, daily, a bit by bit, the knowledge is also gained. Knowledge cannot be gained in one day. That's why you have to start immediately to read, to write, and to learn. So, for this you have to buy the books, textbooks, and registers, and you should start the work soon. All the students have been passed, as I told you, so therefore will be no confusion whether they may be failed still. So it is no matter of being failed. So you should start the first year classes and have been started. If there is any kind of difficulty, you should consult at the office in RS Inter College Kanpur, and your solution will be done, and you may start your study without any kind of hurdle. So now I have written some of the word forms and you have to write them in your fair copy. As lend, lend means उधार देना, lend, lent, lent. Borrow, उधार लेना, borrow, borrowed, borrowed. In the same way, call means बुलाना, call, called, called. It is verb first form, second form, third form. Cry, चिल्लाना, cry, cried, cried. Fight, लड़ना, fight, fought, fought. Plow, जोतना, खेत जोतना, plow, plowed, plowed. Show, दिखाना, show, showed, showed. Start, शुरू करना, start, started, start, started, started. End, समाप्त करना, end, ended, ended. Obey, आज्ञा पालन करना, obey, obeyed, obeyed. Disobey, उल्लंघन करना, disobey, disobeyed, disobeyed. सिव, सिलाई करना, सिव, sieved, sieved. Swim, तैरना, swim, swam, swum. SWIM, SWAM, SWUM. Leap, lift, lift. LEAP, leap, LEAPT, left, LEAPT, left. Keep, रखना, keep, kept, kept. So you have to learn them, and these are used in the tenses, according to tenses, as I borrowed 20 rupees from Mukesh. I borrowed, it is past tense. I borrowed 20 rupees from Mukesh. I have borrowed 20 rupees from Mukesh. So in this way, present definite, past definite, present perfect, in this way these kinds of the verbs forms may be used in different tenses. So first you have to learn them, and you may make it. As cry, cry means chillana. The children are crying. The children cried. Children had cried. Children had cried. Fight means ladna. Fight. Few boys are fighting together. The students fought yesterday. They have fought before 2 hours. In this way, these verb forms are used according to the tenses. You have to write down them in the fair copy, and you have to learn them. Thank you very much.